Okay, today we're going to attempt to make a smokehouse out of an old stove. I already scrapped out all the wires and everything. There's a hot plate that I'm going to try to put into it. Right there, I already made sure I can take that apart, so everything's good. Yeah, so I'll highlight you guys on the progress of what's going on and how things are done. So here we go. Okay, so we got this marked out that it's going to fit this part off the hot plate. I'm going to cut that out. Hopefully the hot plate will be installed and we'll go from there. Alright, there we go, the hole's drilled out. It's perfectly in there. As you can see, it's nice. Now comes the hard part. I'm going to install the hot plate into the bottom of the oven, and that could take a little bit. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, got the hot plate installed on the bottom there. I just have to go in, put the element back in, and we're almost there. Okay, so there it is installed in the bottom of the oven. Just going to take the light out now. I have to take the little vent pipe out and extend that. Cut the grates, and that should be about it. I also took off the back of the stove, or the control panel in the top of the oven. I think there to make a nice little work surface right there. I'm going to plywood up the back of it. And I got a little dolly I'm going to put it on to be rolled around. So we'll see what we can do here. Okay, here we are. We're almost there. Got a little pile of scrap right there. I went and blocked up all the holes in the back. Everything's looking good. I just need to get a pipe for my chimney. I'll not put plywood on the back. It looks pretty good. Oh wait, there, nothing will get stuck back in there. With the dolly underneath it. It's attached. Roll around pretty easily. Little place underneath there to store all your stuff. To turn it on, though, you're going to have to reach up underneath here to turn it on, which isn't really a big deal, but I'm thinking about extending something out this way. We'll see what happens, and I'll continue on. Well, just ran a test there just to see what it would do. Ran it for about half an hour. On high, it looks like it's going to, I don't know if you can see that or not. Looks like it's going to maintain just over 200 degrees. I don't know, it's not focusing right, but 200 degrees, which is quite fine. Get a little bit hotter when the wood starts smoking too, so just going to go get a pipe and a steak and maybe try to do up some jerky there this afternoon. Okay, here it is. I got a little bit of meat in there and trying to do a little bit of a run. We'll see what happens and go from there. I think it's going to work out okay. I got my wood chips in the bottom here. Heating up. Yeah, I never took the tag off, but hey, just got a little bit of steak up there. Just going to try her out. So, alright, here it is, all smoking away right now. And like that, we'll give her a little check inside. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I don't know if you saw that, but here, look at that. Oh yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Okay, well, we're cooking with electricity now, so. Alright, well, here we are, an hour and a half later. I put the steak in an hour and a half ago, and it turned out pretty good, I think. Just a little bit of jerky. Could stand to be in there for a little bit longer to dry up, but should be cooked. It stayed at 200 degrees for an hour and a half. Neat little project to do on a Sunday afternoon. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and have a good day. Bye.